All right, here's the setup. I have a aluminum casting with a sprue on top, and I want to cut the sprue off. Now, unfortunately, the part as I received was tall, too tall to fit under this blade. This bandsaw machine, horizontal blade, the blade return goes underneath the table. So I'm limited in how high I can raise this blade before the blade return hits my rails underneath, about 10 inches. The part came in 11.5 inches where I need to make a cut. So I did a quick cut on the whole piece to knock this down by about 4 inches. That cut was a little sketchy and I'm a little rocky, but I've got it set up now with this wooden fixture, as you can see. Now the interesting part of this project, cutting this sprue off, you can see here, we want to cut as close as we can. We'd like to get it like within an eighth of an inch of the table surface here, or table surface, bottom of the casting here. I've got this little lip here, which is fine, I go over the lip, and then I have a fillet here. So to get an eighth of an inch from this surface and cut on this, I'm pretty much gonna have to have the blade going into that fillet. Blades, bandsaw blades, don't like to hit fillets or rounds or anything, it's the ones that bounce them up. So ideally we'd be using a bigger blade than this. We'd be using something 1.5 inches, 2 inches, inch and a quarter, 1.5 inches. We'd also be running it slower. I'm running this blade at 3,000 feet per minute, which is a little fast for aluminum. Ideally I'd be running this thing more like 2,000. The blade I'm using is a 1 inch wide, 3 tooth per inch. Plain carbon steel blade, not carbide. Again, ideally this would be a carbide blade. And I'm running it dry, no lubricant. So like I said, the setup is not ideal, but it'd just be interesting to see if we can cut off that little sprue. Start the saw. Grab our handle, make a cut. I'm going to watch this very carefully. Ooh, looky there. That was easy. My trophy rolled away. Okay, I'll give you a close-up of the result. Pretty good, pretty good. Oh, sorry, you're not seeing this. Back off a bit here. I'll do some photos in addition. That worked out pretty good. Now I'm gonna go find the piece that fell off.